Hello everyone, my name is Ala Al-Kureji and I am a USF student that I'm going to study Bachelor of Early Childhood Education. Here's my website. This is the homepage. It has my name and some information about myself here and my picture, and you can see here's some activities that I did, and here's some pictures that I really love about children, and here's how you can contact me. And there is the home page, my work page, and about page, and there's a gallery page and contact page. If you go to the work page, you can see some activity that I did with my student and my placement. Here's one of my favorite activities that I did with my toddler students. And here's other activity that I did with my first grader student. Also, you can go to about page, and you can find some information about me and my family and my picture as well, and my education and experience. And when you go to the gallery page, you can see some photos of me and my family as well. And you can finally go to the contact page, and you can contact me by email and send me any of your negative and positive comment that it will really help me in the future. And also some questions as well. I'm going to add all my work that I'm going to do in the future as a teacher or as well as a student. I love to add everything that help teachers and future teachers as well. Thank you.